Well, there's a great way to start the show. Got fire trucks already. Alright, looks like it went away. Okay. Let's redo that. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, Zach? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. And what's up, Austin? What's up, guys? Definition of G. Yeah, I mean, I kind of figured SPY would pull back. The markets would pull back. There's a gap at 379 on SPY, which we talked about yesterday, I think. So yeah, I did expect it to pull back, but yeah, today was really nasty. All around red. Stock market and crypto, so absolutely good today. I was in the YOLO mood and bought 392 SPY puts expiring July 15th, I think. Puts? You bought puts or you sold puts? Or you bought calls? Because if you bought puts, then it means you bought deep in the money puts. I mean, it should be working out right now. But I'm just curious, because not too many people actually go for deep in the money SPY options. But alright, dude. So if that is the case, if you did buy puts, you should be ahead right now. So congrats to you. It's kind of an odd play. You don't really see it too much. Bought some IMPP calls for the hell of it. Alright, yeah, that one does look bullish. IMPP, we been discussing that for the past few weeks. So, yeah, I like them. Well, I do like them, but again, the SPY puts are kind of odd. Should work out, though. So, good luck to you. And thanks for being here, as always. What up, B-Flam and Swirls? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys, as always. And Beelzebub, what's up, dude? B-Flam says, looking sharp. Appreciate that.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, had a little time here today getting set up. Had some extra time to get prepared for the show. So, you know, whenever I have some, I got some extra time left over, I, you know, put on the shirt and tie. So, yeah, appreciate that, B-Flam. Thanks for being here. My goodness, anyone looking at LYT? No, what's up with LYT? Lightus Technologies Holdings. Well, I'll just switch the screen real quick. But yeah.
And it's gone.
That's down 85% today. And it's only IPO'd like last week. The stock has been trading for a whole 9 days now. 9 trading sessions. And it's already down 85%. So not really sure what's going on there, but yeah, RIP to LYT. Give that the RIP. RIP to the stock. That's how it goes. Puts July 20th bought up 77%. So that's pretty fat already, dude. Especially for way in the money. So yeah, congrats to you. And I guess you're in no immediate danger of getting, of that finishing out of the money. So I guess you can hold for the time being. But, so yeah, congrats to you, Austin. What's the plan? Just have an exit plan. You gonna cut now, cut soon, or hold it to expiration? Let me know, dude. Either way, looking pretty good so far, though. So congrats and good luck. I sold my AMC and went to Snap. Alright, dude. Well, congrats to you, Beelzebub. Yeah, AMC did pump a lot yesterday, so you might have sold the high there. And Snap, I'm pretty indifferent about Snap. I used to really like Snap. I had it at 22. I sold it at 22, I think, or like 25, in the 20 somethings, low 20s. And then it ran up to like 70 something, right? And I got so mad at myself, and now it's right back down to lower than where it was before. So happened with a lot of stuff, Square and Overstock. So yeah. So congrats on the AMC gains, and good luck on the snap play. Just be careful, because that is, a meme stock, which I don't even know why it is, but it is considered to be a meme stock. What up, 1010? What's up? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Welcome back. Hold to that opening. So it got halted down? It looks like it got halted a few times today. But yeah, nasty stuff. LYT Gigaga. Yep, absolutely. Just saw that. And throughout the day. Yeah, it looks like it went through multiple halt downs. X8IR mooning. X-Air. Zaire. Let me see that one real quick. Beyond Air. Is this a, is this an EV stock? Beyond Air? Kind of sounds like an EV stock. Not too sure, though. Yeah, I do see it here. Going up a little bit in the aftermarket. Holding because Biden loves America. Lols. Alright, dude. Well, shout out to Joe Biden. What up, Machete? What's up? TQQQ. Megaga. Yeah, well, tech did really bad today, so yeah. Wow, went down 9%. Yeah, that's pretty tough. Ouch. Snap was like my second investment ever. I bought at like 11, sold at 16 in 2019. It's like my safe haven. All right, dude. Yeah, but back then, remember, back in 2019, Snapchat was not considered a meme stock, and now it is. So, I mean, I think it's a pretty legit company, but for whatever reason, the market considers it a meme stock right now. So, just be careful on that one. But if you have to think, paid 14-ish per contract on that SPY put, need SPY to finish below 378 to break even on the trade at expiration. Was that for, does that expire this week, 1010? I think I saw that earlier on Discord. I think you posted it. So it probably will go to 378 to fill the gap. Not sure if it's going to go there before your expiration, though, but, yeah, it looks like there's more downside to go. But yeah, shout out to everyone who's in here nice and early. A lot of people already. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
And we already got our second siren. So, my apologies about that. Hope it doesn't keep up. For whoever bought the July... Oh, that's not for you. That's for Austin, I think, you're talking about. Alright. Yeah, so that kind of works out. Because it should come back down there before the expiration. Alright. So, yeah, appreciate everyone for being here. So, let's get started. So, today is Tuesday, June 28th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And, yes, today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Seems like every single day we're doing the show from Ramenistan, but hey, that's 2022 for you so far. And, yeah, today was pretty bad. Very bad. So, all major indexes in the red. Major red. Crypto as well. So, not surprised. But yeah, today was pretty bad. Not as bad as some other days, but pretty bad. So yeah, we're doing the show from Ramenistan today. Eating ramen tonight. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And And I don't have too much today planned, honestly. Shouldn't take too long. I got 5 articles here. One about Robinhood and FTX. One about Celsius. One about X Carnival, which is a DeFi. One about NATO, and one about Ghislaine Maxwell, the Epstein case. Got to be careful. Don't want to, if I said his name too much, YouTube's going to flag me. But yeah, 5 articles. And then today we're just going to analyze for the TA Redbox, RDBX Redbox. A lot of honorable mentions. There was, let's see here. There was EVFM, which I didn't think it would get so much chatter, so much momentum on social media. Yesterday it had like 2,500 mentions. Now it has 7,000. But so that's number 2 today. But we're not going to analyze it because there's not too much price action there. But honorable mention, EVFM, talked about it yesterday. AMC, Mullen, another honorable mention. That came back up, actually. Mullen was down over 10% earlier. Now it's only down 7.6. And then Redbox, number 5. And 3,000 mentions. A lot of price action. So, yes, we will only do Redbox today. And other honorable mentions, AGRX, which is another baby deletion play, as we called it yesterday. That's squeezing. Mooning/squeezing today, AGRX, and ENDP, also mooning/squeezing today. So AGRX 85% and ENDP 80%. Both baby deletion plays, and for whatever reason, that is a hot industry right now. Contraceptive industry. So yeah, a bunch of honorable mentions, but we're just going to do Redbox today. And then we'll get to the Yolos, which shouldn't take too long. A lot of memes. I think there's 1 gain chord, 1 loss chord, and 1 actual YOLO. So, yeah, not too much planned. 5 articles, 1 TA, and YOLOs. Let's aim for hour and a half today. Try to get out of here at 5:30. And if you guys want to chill and chat, always welcome to. It's always a pleasure. So I have no problem staying a little later if you guys want to chill. But today is Tuesday, and Tuesday is one of the slower days for streaming, so I'm not expecting too much. Not expecting too many people. But if people come in a little later, in the middle and the end of the show, that's cool. Usually some people come in. But yeah, we'll go hour and a half to 2 hours today, most likely. So nothing too serious. Should be pretty short and chill show. I was mistaken, and my expiration was July 20th, 383.10 breakpoint. All right, got it. Yeah, so you're up pretty big right now, and a lot of time to go. And good chance it, gets there in the money. Well, actually, it should be already in the money. But yeah, good stuff, Austin. Good luck to you. The ramen ruins. Yep. The ramen village, Ramenistan. The ramen huts. Everyone eating ramen today. We should see a little pullback. For what, SPY? Yeah, absolutely. A little bit more. Should come down to 379 at least. What up, Peasy? What's up? Oh, you want the song, huh? I got you. Oh, do I have it here? It's actually on the other screen, so... Yeah, give me 1 second and we'll play the down song. Well, we'll do the down meme for you, but shout out to you, Peasy. How the hell is she only getting 20 years? Crazy world? Oh, yeah, referring to GM, Ghislaine Maxwell. Yeah, we'll get to that. It is Crazy World. Probably the biggest reason is because she has something between her legs that, most of us here don't have. But I don't want to get too much into that, I don't want to get banned by YouTube. So we'll quickly go over that, but I don't want to get into, like, conspiracies and all that good stuff. But yes, that is pretty nuts. But there is certain privileges in the world that people get. Some people get and other people don't. We'll get to that. GDP numbers come out tomorrow. Market drop was in part because people are thinking we are getting closer to confirming recession. Yeah, recession's confirmed. I don't know what everyone's waiting for. Recession imminent. Recession is coming. Beware. No, we're in one. like most definitely. So, um, so maybe people are expecting bad numbers. I don't know, but yeah, we'll see how that goes tomorrow. Hopefully, well, I think we're gonna go down a little bit more, but hopefully we bounce here soon. But all right, guys. So yeah, good stuff. A lot of people in here already. Gonna be a great show, I can already tell. And let's do it. Let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's do it. Oh, already got the screen up. Cool. Okay. Here it is for Peasy. Baby, are you down, 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 down? Old song. I'll do the timber too. Why not? It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Yep, it's that type of day. Okay. Yeah, down is like that's an old song now. That's like 10 years old? It's been a minute. Damn, I'm getting old. We're all getting old. All right, let me check YouTube real quick. We're at 6 viewers, 9 likes. Nice. So appreciate everyone. Please smash that like button if you haven't yet, and let's do it here. All right, start on the green side. Cool. Okay, so the Dow Jones down 1.56%. Nasdaq down 3.09%. Megaga on the Nasdaq. That's pretty bad. And S&P, the S&P down 2.01%. So, all in all,
And it's gone.
nasty day today. Super, super red. VIX is up 5.23 points. Not too bad. Up 5.23%. Up 1.41 points. So we're at 28.36 VIX now, which isn't great. Went up a little bit, but I don't know. On a day like this, you would expect it to go up more. So, I mean, I guess that's... I'm certainly not complaining. It's kind of odd. But yeah, VIX still not great. But it didn't go up that much today. But yeah, pretty bad day here in the stock market. Let's check it out. Start on the green side. Not much in the green. Like, literally not much in the green at all. There's Microvision, Exxon, Chevron, BP. So oil's going up today. Or the large cap is at least. BBIG, Toyota, meme index. Yeah, not much in the green here. Literally just oil. And some memes for some reason. So, yeah. Literally nothing in the green. Not good. On the red side, not going to spend too much time here. But let's see what's going on. So, Redbox, which we'll discuss first. Only stock we'll discuss today. Down 12.57%. Major price action. So we'll discuss that later on. Yeah, damn. Wayfair down 10%. Skills, Affirm, Peloton, Coinbase getting wrecked here. Lyft, Oxygen. Damn, Nike went down 7%. The hell happened to Nike? I think they had earnings, did they not? I think they had earnings yesterday. I think we were talking about it. So yeah, really bad day for Nike. Honorable mention, Mullen, 7%. Clover, Match, AMD. So yeah, tech getting hit really hard here today. AMD down 6.24%. SoFi, DraftKings, Marathon, Ethereum, Wish, Snapchat. Snap's at 14 now. Wow. Square, Tilray, MicroStrategy, AMC. Just a whole bunch of red here. Virgin Galactic, DoorDash, Li Auto, Nvidia. Nvidia's down 5%, over 5%, pretty bad. Meta, Facebook, down over 5%, 5.2%. Amazon, 5%, really, really nasty. Novavax, Netflix went down 5%, Tesla 5%, what the hell? Yeah, so tech getting wrecked here today. This is really bad. A lot of blue chip value tech. Not doing too good. MMAT, GME, eBay, Google, 3.3. That's pretty bad. Palantir, Chipotle, Microsoft. Microsoft's down 3%. Small cap oils down. CEI, IMPP, INDO. Apple down 3%. Robinhood, Costco. Neo. Yes, pretty bad. Pfizer, Moderna, GM, Ford, McDonald's, Starbucks, Alibaba, all that good stuff. So yeah, pretty much everything getting wrecked here today. Pretty much nothing in the green, everything in the red, and deep in the red too. Most notably, growth and tech getting hit here the hardest. So yeah, not a good day to be a bull. Boomers getting wrecked, apes getting wrecked, everyone getting wrecked today. All the bulls, at least. Rainbow Bears probably did pretty good. Yeah, nasty day in the stock market here. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? Tomorrow could be a huge dump or a huge pump low. Yes, I think tomorrow is either, and this is not financial advice, guys. I think tomorrow is either going up or down. Yes. I think so. No, I'm kidding. Sarcasm. Meta got smacked today. Yeah, all the tech getting wrecked here. Tesla, Netflix, Meta, Google, Apple, Microsoft, everything. I can say for certain that Tesla will never financially recover from this. Recover from what? What, just the bear market? Well, you know, I don't know if you're being sarcastic or not, but I think the gap is definitely going to close between Tesla and some other car makers while we're in a bear market and people aren't buying stuff. So by the time we're getting back to a bull market, they really shouldn't have as much market share. So Tesla's not going anywhere, but you know, they're not going to have that first mover advantage like they've been had for years now. Well, they still will, but it's not going to matter as much. If SPY breaks 380, more downside gap at 379. Yeah, so came in a little late here, but yeah, I did say earlier that 379 is probably going to fill the gap there. The impending recession. I'm being sarcastic. Yeah. Well, it seems like no matter what Elon Musk does, no one cares. No one cares. The guy does literally anything he wants now. Because he can. And I don't know. I don't think, like, the worst scandal in the world, probably apes wouldn't care. Apes love Tesla. They're going to buy it no matter what. But, alright, guys, so there's the stock market nasty stuff. Let's get the crypto, which ain't too much better. 1 second here. Let me pull it up. All right. Mullen will never financially recover from this. Well, all they got to do is dilute the stock even more, print more money, right? Reverse split, rinse and repeat. Go on your media tour. You know, huge orders coming in, millions of dollars worth of orders coming in, Fortune 500 company, whatever. Same old stuff. But, yeah, shout out to Mullen. I did say that it was coming back to $1, and I got called crazy for that last week. Well, it looks like we are heading back there. But, yeah, let's get on to crypto now. So, crypto is down 2.77% today. Where's the, There we go. It's in highlights. All right. So trending, we got Terra Classic. I don't know why that's been going up. And Terra USD. Oh, it's Terra Classic USD, USTC. USTC is up 120%. Why? Why are people buying that? I don't know.
Bruh.
Beats me. Sheeb is down 8%. So yeah, Terra Classic Sheeb and Terra Classic USD. And then, what is this? Recently added, we got Walmart. Oh, I think it's supposed to be like whale. Like whale without the E. Like Whale Mart. Because it's a whale. It's more like a fish, but it's supposed to be a whale. So, Whale Mart. Okay.
Bruh.
That's going to be pumping up. Alright, enough of that. Let's see here. Have you tried the pizza from Racetrack? Bro, it's fire. I have not. I think you said before in a previous show that I should try it out. No, I don't really have Racetrack. We don't really have Racetrack in New York City. But if I'm ever at a racetrack, I don't think I'll be at a racetrack anytime soon. I'll be sure to try it. But probably gonna taste something like 7-Eleven. Maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, shout out to you. I'll try it out sometime when I can. All right, on to. Sorry, let's fix my tie real quick. All right, on to actual crypto here. So Bitcoin down 3%, pushing 20K again. Ether down 3.35, below 1,200. Binance down a little. XRP down 4%. Cardano 3%. Solana 7%. Doge 8%. Damn, Doge is pulling back pretty hard. Sheep down 8%. A lot of red here. Don't see too much green, but price action doesn't seem too bad. Ether Classic down. Bitcoin Cash. Flow is up. Interesting. ApeCoin up a little bit. Yeah, let's sort this out. But I'm not seeing too much green and not too much price action in general. Alright, so green side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so yeah, we just sorted this out. So 8 coins in the green. We'll call it 10, we'll be generous. So 90% of the coins in the red, 10% in the green. And the stuff that is in the green, not too much price action, all growth coins. Biggest gainer, Terra, Classic USD, 120%. Damn, it's up 400% in the last 7 days. It's at 4 cents now. Why is USTC going up? Who is buying that? I don't know. I think you guys should stay away, but sure. They all growth here. Biggest gainer, USTC, then 1 inch. BitTorrent, and then big drop off from there. Don't see any value. So yeah, not much happening on the green side. And let's see the red side, which is pretty much everything. So yeah, Shiba and Doge leading the way on the red side. But it kind of seems like some healthy pullback because they did pump quite a bit in the past few days. But yeah, nothing under 10%. Worst loser is Sheep, 8%. But there is a good amount of value here. We got Solana, Bitcoin Cash, some value. So yeah, so crypto's down 3% today. Not the worst thing in the world, but pretty bad. Yeah, most of the coins in the red. Not too much price action, but yeah, most of the coins in the red, and there is a decent amount of value in the red as well. So yeah, it just seems like overall crypto market down, and value is pulling it down the most. So, yep, pretty bad day in crypto. So, terrible day in the stock market, pretty bad day in crypto. All around go. That sucks. But hey, pretty normal, pretty standard at this point in 2022. Nothing new here. All right, give me 1 second. Let me pull up the articles for today. Got 5 of them. Alright, and please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Robinhood listed Chainlink crypto. It performed poorly. Oops. Why did they just now list it? But, okay. I mean, that's cool. Cool for crypto, cool for Robinhood and Chainlink. I used to have Chainlink. I had it way back, in below $1, and then I sold it. Way before I should have. But, it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know why it performed poorly. You would expect it to get some type of boost, but you know, Robinhood users buy Doge and sheep. They don't care about Chainlink. Okay, so today, guys, I got 5 articles here. One about FTX and Robinhood, one about Celsius, one about X Carnival, which is DeFi, one about NATO, and one about an update to the Epstein case. Let's do it. So first article, FTX debunks rumors of merger and acquisition conversations with Robinhood. Crypto exchange FTX denied a Bloomberg News report that claimed the company was in discussions with Robinhood but had yet to make an offer. Alright, so yeah, we discussed this yesterday. Robinhood was pumping because, you know, rumors of FTX acquisition. And that's not going to happen.
Bruh.
So yeah, buy the rumor, sell the news. Lots of apes got wrecked. So, yeah, I don't really believe it, though, to be honest. Maybe not now. But I could definitely see a future where FTX eventually, like, slowly builds their stake in Robinhood and eventually just takes over. They got over 50% stake. So it's not going to happen as of now. But doesn't mean it won't. But yeah, apparently it is false. They're just rumors right now. No merger and acquisition. So clearing up some, not FUD, but rumors from yesterday. All right, next article. Rumors circulate that Celsius CEO Alex Mashinsky attempted to flee the U.S.
Bruh.
So yeah, we've been talking about Celsius for the last 2 weeks. So they're in some hot water right now. Got some liquidity issues. Suspended their withdrawals. Because, yeah, we can't confirm, but for sure there's a lot of shady stuff happening in the back there. So yeah, Twitter is awash with reports. Mashinsky was stopped from leaving the U.S. However, at this stage, there are no confirmed reports of this happening. So yeah. So just rumors at this point, but I mean, I believe it. If you know your company was going down, and you're most likely going to get prosecuted, because you most likely will, lost a lot of people's money, it may be a good play to become a fugitive. So yeah, this is just a summary on what's been happening so far. So yeah, no confirmation just yet, just rumors. But this is really, really bad for Celsius. This is not a good look for Celsius. With, you know, they're already, with their huge PR nightmare already. So whether this is true or not, this is a really bad look. And if it is true, I'd be really, really concerned. Well, I'd be really concerned already. But that'd be the dagger right there if this guy actually tried to flee. So yeah, Celsius going through some crazy stuff right now. Hope it works out for everyone that's involved. And this is just a rumor right here, but I believe it. This guy probably tried to run. So if he did, good thing he got caught. Because, you know, you should go to jail for running a Ponzi scheme. But, alright, moving on. What up, Wilson? What's up? So, give the what's up to everyone who came in that didn't get one yet.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. As always, please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. I think it was added to Robinhood because shareholders of Hood were asking for more cryptos on the platform. Okay. I mean, yeah, it doesn't hurt to add cryptos. They should be adding more cryptos, but I don't think it really mattered too much because the majority of people who buy crypto on Robinhood buy Dogecoin and then SHIB. Well, this is what people buy on Robinhood. FD options, Doge, and SHIB. So, it certainly doesn't hurt. But I don't think that really caters to their customers, if you know what I mean. Because when SHIB was announced going on Robinhood, everyone went crazy. It mooned. But, you know, Chainlink, that's not a meme coin. No one cares. I'm being sarcastic. People care, but not your typical Robinhood user. All right, next article. So we got a hack here. I didn't even hear about this, but every single day there's another hack. There's just too many to keep up with now. But yeah, let's read here. Ethereum liquidity provider X Carnival negotiates return of 50% stolen Ethereum. According to the blockchain investigator Pack Shield, the hacker used a previously withdrawn pledged NFT from the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection as collateral to drain the assets. All right, so yeah, I think this happened yesterday. But I'm just now hearing about this. So X Carnival got hacked for 3,100 Ethereum, worth 3.8 million, yesterday. And they found an exploit by allowing a withdrawn pledged NFT to be still used as a collateral. I don't even know what that really means. Yeah, I'm not too good on this technically. But yeah, they found an exploit for $4 million. And yeah, apparently they recovered half of that. I don't know how. Well, they told the guy, they told the hacker he could keep half of it if they returned half. And they won't come after him legally. So, I mean, I guess that's a pretty good incentive. You keep $2 million, and we don't go after you. So, yeah, sad stuff. Kind of a shame the hacker's not going to get caught. But, you know, at least the company got half their money back. Still lost a lot, though. So, yeah, really, really sad stuff. I hope the company and victims are okay. I hope they do whatever they can to make everyone whole. But, yeah, this is not surprising. You know, everyone's getting hacked nowadays. And it's kind of becoming a common theme to give back a lot of the money. Either through bounty programs or just because the hackers feel like it. They're not even really in it for the money. But yeah, X Carnival got hacked yesterday. Big hack, $4 million. I guess not big in terms of compared to other projects that have gotten hacked. But yeah, $4 million and got half of it back today. Happy for them, but you know, it was okay outcome, but still sucks they lost $2 million. What you gonna do? All right, two more. So no more crypto stuff. So this one's about NATO. So NATO reaches a deal with Turkey to admit Sweden and Finland, Secretary General says. So we're not gonna read this, but yeah. So this is kind of an update on the whole Russia situation. So yeah, remember, so Sweden and Finland were always neutral, historically neutral, but after Russia invaded Ukraine, they changed their stance and they now want to join NATO. So they applied, and Turkey had the only one that had a problem with that is Turkey, but it seems like they dealt with that, and Sweden and Finland are going to officially join NATO now. So, you know, good for the West, good for NATO. Pretty big news here. But everyone was kind of expecting this to happen, but now we're getting closer to that. And last article here. This really has nothing to do with anything. Just pretty big story in pop culture and gossip, I guess. But yeah. Eggs trafficker got a speaking code here. Ghislaine Maxwell sentenced to 20 years in prison. So if you guys didn't know, this is Jeffrey Epstein's, or was Jeffrey Epstein's number one, well, right-handed woman. Apparently she set up a lot of these underage encounters. But apparently she was just hiding out in like Vermont somewhere in her mansion, and the cops knew about it. The feds knew about her. It just didn't bother her for like a year. But now she finally got locked up. So yeah, she got 20 years. She has to pay $750,000 when she gets out. And then she's expressing her regret for being involved with Epstein. Anyway, so yeah, she probably should have gotten more, but she got 20 years. I'm sure a lot of people are pissed about that, and she's probably gonna get out in like 5 or 10, to be honest, if she's available for good behavior, which she'll probably get. So yeah, I think she'll be out in 5 to 10 years. But officially, she got 20 years. So hope it does some justice for the victims. I know everyone was expecting more, but it is what it is. All right. So good stuff, guys. Pretty good news today. Just minor news. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And yep, let's get to the TA now. We're doing pretty good on time here. It's 4:45. So only 45 minutes in, and only one TA, so. All right, let's get to it. 1 second here. Put that back, and let me check YouTube. All right, we're at 5 viewers, 9 likes. So appreciate everyone who's still here.
Cocaine's a
Whoa, wrong one. That's a good meme too.
cocaine's a hell of a drug.
Yeah, all right. Probably shouldn't use that one that much because YouTube's gonna flag me. But I meant to do the appreciate.
I appreciate you.
So I appreciate everyone who's still here. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Yeah, kind of a slow show today. That's all right. Probably get done real quick. All right, so Redbox. Check the news real quick. Make sure there's no news. No, there's no news. Okay. All right, so today, guys, once again, we're going to do Redbox. That's it. Only one TA today. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And this shouldn't take too long. Got my notes right here. Not too many indicators. So yeah, let's quickly get through this. Going to try not to bore you guys too much. And we'll finish up with the Yolos. So I'm going to take a quick drink, and we'll get started on Redbox here. All right. All right, let's do it. So here is RDBX Redbox Entertainment. This finishes at $7.37 today. That is down 12.57%.
And it's gone.
Okay. So we've been covering this stock for over 2 months now, ever since this first squeezed. It pulled back and then squeezed again. and um, and it's been pulling back for the last 2 weeks. So it appears like the squeeze is over for now, at least. But this is still a hot stock on social media. So no company-specific news to justify this price action today. Again, it just seems like the squeeze has been slowly winding down. It just seems like the squeeze is over. People are slowly starting to take profits, and shorts coming in here to take advantage of this major price action to the upside. Yeah, this went from the $1 range to over 18. So honestly, this is more epic than the AME squeeze, than the AMC squeeze. It's not quite at the GME level just yet. But yeah, this has been an epic short. But yeah, this has been an epic short squeeze so far, and it may be done for now. But further down the road, it'll definitely have its time again. But yeah, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 160. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $18, $19.25, $20.05, or even the high of $27.20. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. We do have a huge bull flag developing here. Here's the flagpole. And this flag and here's the flag that has been developing for the past few weeks. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock may break out to the upside. I think I can actually draw something here. Hold on. Missed this before. My bad, guys. Kind of doing an audible here. Should have did this before, but I'm just seeing it now. Okay. So this would be a descending wedge. Right. It appears like we have a descending wedge forming. Let me redraw this. Sorry, I got some guy blasting his music outside. We'll call this 9 and 7. It appears like we have a descending wedge forming here. Right now, this is consolidating between 9 and 7. So it looks like there's a bit more consolidation to go. This should consolidate somewhere around $8. And from there, it should break out to the upside again. So descending wedge. currently a bullish indicator. Gap down. There is a gap down at 1370. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1370 eventually to fill that gap. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 710. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow will sell off as well. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right. So I think we'll go up to all right, we'll go down to 5. And up to 10, I guess. Maybe 12. We'll see. Florida storm just took out my Wi-Fi. Got to use 4G now. Damn. Well, sounds like you're safe, dude. That's number one thing. You know, make sure you're okay. Safety first. And appreciate you, dude. That's some real dedication. Got no electricity in there, and you're still in here, still watching on 4G. I was on 4G for a while. I just recently got this like last month. My 5G phone. I was a little too behind. But you guys want some financial advice? Don't buy the new iPhone. Don't buy the new phone and the new computer every year. This stuff can last you like 5 years. I would say like every 3 to 5 years, okay. But you should not be getting a new phone and new computer every single year. This is how you get into an endless cycle of debt. You sign a 2-year plan, go on a payment plan, pay your phone off for 2 years, and then you get a new one, and you just keep paying your new phone off. Same thing with your car too. I'm just rambling now. All right, back to this. So shout out to you, Punk Skater.
You loyal.
Okay. Let's do it. So right now this is sitting on the support of 735, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 765, 790, 820, 850, 880, 915, 945, 980, 1010, 1030, 1050, 1090, 1125, 1170, and then 1205. There is resistance above 1205, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 710, 685, 660, 640, 620, $6, 575, 560, 545, 520, and then 505. There is support below 505, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at the current price, 737. Excuse me, 737. The channels, as the stock continues to run to the upside, the channels get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if the stock continues to run to the upside. And to the downside, the channels get more narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if the stock continues to run to the downside. RSI is currently at 45. So pretty average, a little bit below average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 737 should be a little bit higher. And this did 5 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Above the average of 4 million. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Beelzebub says not financial advice. When I said about not buying a new phone every year, no, that is financial advice. You know, live within your means. You don't need to keep up with the Joneses. You don't need new stuff every single year. New cars, new, phone, computer. It's all the same stuff. It's not that much better. Who are you trying to impress? I'm on LTE. I have an iPhone XS. I agree, every year a new iPhone comes out and the old one goes down in value. Yeah, this stuff depreciates a lot. Technology depreciates a lot. Phones, computers, and cars, too. So, yeah, this stuff is not a good investment. It's not an investment. I don't even know what iPhone XS is. I've never had an iPhone. I had an iPhone 6. But I'm team Android. But XS sounds like a fancy one. I don't know. I bought iPhone XS 2 years ago, so it's definitely worth a lot less now. Yeah, I bought this, yeah, it goes down a lot real fast. So, yeah, I bought this one. This is Galaxy S20, so it's 2 years old. This retailed for like 800, and I bought it for 400. And then even my Surface, I'm about to buy another one because I need a work computer now. So I bought this one for like 1,500, brand new, when it first came out. I think it was like 1,500, and now I can get the same thing for 400, 2 years later. So yeah, technology depreciates a lot. So yeah, definitely not an investment. You guys can, yeah. So financial advice: if you guys can, buy older stuff, refurbished if you can, used. Nothing wrong with that. Save a lot of money. Yeah, exactly. Don't keep up with the Joneses. Yeah, that's a debt trap. Like what are you trying to prove? You don't need to impress people. I guess that's more of a individual thing. I've never really felt the need to show off to anyone. I actually want people to think I'm poor. But yeah, as soon as you guys are able to get over like not caring about your image, you save a lot of money. Try to make each phone last 5+ years. I do. I don't get a phone. I get a phone legit like every 5 years. At the minimum 3 years. But I take care of my stuff. I've never cracked the phone. I don't drop them much. Don't lose them. So you gotta take care of your stuff. You'll go broke trying to keep up? Absolutely. Absolutely. It's basically an iPhone X10. Yes, that's like 2 years old, right? But yeah, for sure. Good move there, buying old stuff. Buy old and refurbished stuff. Old, used, refurbished. Just make sure they don't have any, like, malware or spyware if you're buying old stuff. Anyway, let's get back to this. So, good talk, guys. All right. Where was I? So the last time we analyzed this stock, I said it would pull back to 860 at least to fill the gap, probably even lower. And here we are. So So I'm not sure how low this is going to go. But it appears like there is still a bit more downside to go. That being said, we are getting more bullish indicators than bearish indicators now. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, bull flag, and gap down. We have a bearish indicator in the aftermarket action and a neutral indicator in the RSI. So overall, the stock does appear to be slightly bullish to bullish at the moment. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Honestly, the current price, 737, isn't a bad entry. It's not great, but it's not terrible. Very average entry here. So you can't go too wrong. But I do believe in the very short term, this will continue to pull back a bit more. So I can't support going long at the current price. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. But honestly, if you're a little patient here, you should be able to get a little bit. You should be able to get a better entry than 737. So I think the best move would be just to hold off, observe the price action, see when this starts to bottom out, catch support, and then you want to come in and make your move. To get this at the lowest possible price. Easier said than done. But yeah, right now it still looks like it's falling knife. So from the current price, 737, this should eventually come back up to 1370 to fill the gap. And that would be calculator. Let's call it 85. And that would be over an 85% upside. So there's already a huge amount of upside potential. And you can get at least 85%, and you should be able to get even more. And you should be able to get an even better upside potential if you enter at a better price here. So I'd say going long at the current price would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth the shot. I would have no problems with you guys going long right here. But I think if you're able to hold off and get this at a better entry, maybe in the $6 or $5 range, this would then become a low risk, high reward play. Low risk, very high reward play. So either way, going long looks like a good play here. But you can potentially make a lot more money if you're a bit patient and you enter at a better. If you're a bit patient and you get a better entry. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend it. It's not necessarily a bad play, but you missed a lot of downside already. You should have went short anywhere from the $15 to $10 range, and here at 737, there probably is more downside to go, but not much. So I don't know how low this is going to go, but there appears to be a little bit more downside to go. And again, this should come back up to at least 1370 eventually to fill the gap. So I would say going short here would be a high risk, medium reward play. Not worth it in my opinion. The stock is starting to look more bullish again. The stock is starting to look bullish again. There are definitely way better short plays out there in the market. You missed your chance on this one. So there is money to be made here. If you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But I think it'd be better just to move on and look for a better short play and look for a better play. Okay. So pretty straightforward, guys. There's been 2 squeezes. The squeeze is over for right now, at least. But eventually, the squeeze is over for now, at least. It's been pulling back pretty significantly, falling knife right now. But eventually, Redbox will have its day again. Still a lot of retail momentum though. Ape's still strong here. So if you want to go long, the current price is not a bad entry. I can't support that. But I do think that you can't go too wrong here. Already a lot of upside potential. But I think if you're a little patient here, you should be able to get a better entry in the $5 or $6 range. So I can't support going long at the current price and lower. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. At least an 85% upside potential. Huge upside potential here. And if you want to go short, it's not a bad play. It can work out. Just a bit risky. I personally wouldn't go for it. I think it's a bit too late to go short. But if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. You're probably better off just moving on from this stock, though, and looking for a better short play. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is RDBX Redbox Entertainment. Alright, so that took a bit longer than I expected. That's alright. So, that's it, guys. That's all the TA for today. What's up, Ken? What's up? Which one low risk? You talking about Redbox? Low risk is when this pulls back even more to like 5 or 6 and you enter and there's a lot of upside potential. I think that's what you're referring to. RDBX triple digit? Maybe eventually, not anytime soon. But the apes believe that it can hit triple digits. I think this one can hit triple digits. Like AMC can hit triple digits. This one is similar to AMC. This can hit triple digits as well. BBIG still has a long way to go. But yeah, like actually Redbox can hit triple digits. It's not unrealistic. Probably going to take a little bit, but it is possible. How about a follow-up on EVFM broke back above support? We can check it out. Can you take a look at IMPP? All right, let's look at EVM and IMPP. EVFM and IMPP. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Okay. All right, so this one looks like it's coming back down. I said yesterday that squeeze is not over yet, but after today, it looks like the squeeze is coming down here. Not as much volume, so momentum cooling off. Aftermarket action would suggest that tomorrow is going to the downside. So this is just my opinion, not financial advice, but yeah, I think the squeeze is pretty much over here, or it's coming to an end, and I would set the buy orders to 49 cents, like I said yesterday. Should come back down to the Philly gap, and I think that'd be a really, really excellent entry. So, yeah, I actually think now is the time to short this down, EVFM. You can make 50% on the short side, and once it does fill the gap, you can go long again, and there's a lot of upside potential. Two gaps to fill here. 3 gaps, I think. Yeah, 3 gaps. So, yeah, in summary, I think the squeeze is over. Or should be pretty soon. I think it's a good time to short. I think a good entry to go long would be 50 cents, 49 cents. So yeah, it looks pretty bearish to me in the really short term, and once it hits 50, it should come back up. Just my opinion, not financial advice. And let's look at IMPP. Anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Charts. If you want me to look at anything, put it in the chat. We'll get to that. Otherwise, we'll just take a look at IMPP, Yolos, and we'll get out of here. So IMPP. So yeah, this looks like it's holding 48 really strong, having some hard time breaking 48. So yeah, this really shouldn't go below 48. Pretty good entry right now, and looks really bullish on the long side, or in the long term. So yeah, I like the entry, 50 cents right now. Really shouldn't go below 48, and longer term looks really bullish. So this is more of a buy and hold, though. This is not a squeeze, you know, get rich quick anything. I wouldn't treat it like that, at least. I would treat this as a long-term buy and hold. So this one looks really bullish to me right now. Great price, great entry. Shouldn't go below 48. Long-term looks really bullish. So I hope that answers your question. What up, Finno? What's up? So shout out to everyone who just came in.
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. LYT2, thank you. All right. Isn't there a gap in IMPP at 60? 60. Where? Oh, I think you mean here. Is it? Oh, I guess it is. Good catch. Good catch, Finno. Yeah, it was so small I couldn't even see it. That's what she said. Yeah, 61. So yeah, that is bullish. That's a bullish indicator, 61. So even more of a reason to go along here right now. So I did miss that. So thank you for that. Yes. Gap at 61. 615. Yeah, that's it. 61. See, IMPP looks pretty good right now. LYT. So we looked at this one earlier. Yeah, there's not much to say here. I wouldn't even touch this thing. You know, I don't like playing IPOs because it's so unpredictable. Crazy stuff like this happens. So I certainly wouldn't go short now. And I wouldn't go long either, but that can pay off pretty big if this bounces. Well, for all we know, it can keep on dropping. So, yeah, I'd stay far away from this one either way. But if you want to gamble, I would only go long. I would definitely not go short at this point. So, yeah, high risk, high reward stuff here. So yeah, if you want to gamble, don't short, only go long. Just my opinion, not financial advice. Okay, and TQQQ. IMPP look good. I'm back 75 cents. Did you buy back in? Cause didn't you buy at 90 last time and then you sold and then you bought back in? Is that the case? All right, dude. Well, 75 is not too bad. So good luck to you. And TQQQ. Okay. Odds of this turning around tomorrow. Well, we shall see. Didn't someone say, the 1010 say the GDP data is coming out, so maybe that'll have an effect. Let's see here. Let's look at NDX. No, nothing happening here. So SPY is up now in the aftermarket a little bit. So that's encouraging for tomorrow. So I don't know about tomorrow, but, you know, longer term looks really bullish. Big cup and handle, multiple gaps. 1, 2, 3. 3 gaps, triple gap down, cup and handle. Yeah, I really can't say it tomorrow. But it looks like it's bull flagging now. It is starting to look bullish. Cup and handle, bull flag, gap downs. So hopefully it comes back tomorrow. Good chance it does because it went down so much today. But no guarantees. But, you know, longer term it does look good. So fingers crossed for tomorrow. Can't really say for sure though. But better chance than not it does go in the green tomorrow. Maybe it'll pull back a little bit more because I think SPY should pull back to fill the gap first. But yeah, I don't think there's too much more downside on TQQQ. Looks pretty bullish to me in the short term. We'll see though. Yes, I bought back in at 75 and 67. I will buy at 50 cents tomorrow. All right, sounds like a plan, dude. So yeah, nice average down there. And it really shouldn't go below 48. I'd be surprised if it did. But all right, sounds like a plan, dude. Good luck to you. What stock do you think I have a chance to 10x in, let's say, 5 years? Not planning to sell, just buy and hold. Need to get my 100K back, so planning to put 10K on it. That's pretty hard, you know. I don't have a crystal ball. And 10x is a bit ambitious in 5 years. So you need 200% every year, which is not too realistic, honestly. So that would definitely be a growth stock, you know. That would... And this is not financial advice. Maybe you could find some growth ETF. That's going to be extremely hard to find. I don't have any specific stock in mind. And just in general, that's going to be pretty hard to find something that gives you that return. So your best bet is probably, I would say, crypto or high yield growth funds. High yield growth, you know, high yield growth ETFs. So there isn't many things that is going to do that. So if you want my personal opinion, I'd probably say crypto would probably fit you the best there. Bitcoin. Or any poop coin, honestly. So it's either, you know, penny stock or poop coin that could realistically do that. But I think if you just buy and hold Bitcoin, I'm not going to, in 5 years, I don't know. But I think Bitcoin probably would fit your criteria the best. Or a poop coin, but, you know, I don't like poop coins. So I'm going to say Bitcoin or high yield growth stock, high yield growth ETF. Hope that answers your question. But yeah, looking for, you know, 10x in 5 years is just not too realistic. So don't count on it. It's either crypto or growth, I would say. The short always mess up. Can't really tell. Wilson. Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, not hard to. I mean, pretty hard to. Predict what's going to do that. 10x. You're welcome, Machete. And once in if I had to. You lost 100K. Damn. Yeah. Wilson likes his. His action. But it sounds like he has a pretty good job and, property and stuff. Sounds pretty stable, so 100K is a lot of money, but depends, though, on your situation. In the grand scheme of things, it's, like, kind of not. It's all relative. But, yeah, Wilson is looking for some action, get his money back there. Buy BBIG and MMAT? No, don't do that. don't do that. It's probably one of the worst things you could do. But, right idea, buying penny stocks, growth stocks. But those two specific stocks, yeah, I doubt it. Unless, nuclear MOS actually comes and BBIG does actually, does actually rip. I doubt it, though. What up, Patrick? What's up? Nice seeing you again, dude. What you end up doing with Redbox? Are you out or are you still in? Curious. Lost 60, came back 2 years later, lost another 30K, lol. Yep, good. That's unfortunate, but, it's a long game. You'll make your money back. Just try not to do anything that crazy. Just stay away from the FDs, and you'll make your money back. BBID triple MOS easy. Just buy another house. You know what? That is true. Real estate probably, it's not going to get you 10x in 5 years, but real estate is also, good multiplier in the long term. Not really. I sold my company stock and what I saved prior and I got into stock, lol. May have been better just to hold on to your company stock. But you live and learn, Sold my Redbox early last week, took the profits to B hat. That's like blue hat, right? I know what you're talking about. Bought in at 110, sold for 313. Holy crap. So, all around Chad mode. So, you did really, really good on Redbox. And looks like some pretty fat gain on BHAT. That's like a, 150% gain? So, over that. So, congrats to you, Patrick. Major Chad mode. I'm bag holding MMAT at 245. It will hit triple digit one day. Oh man, 245. I used to be in MMAT. We all were, actually, at one point. I think I used to be in this at like 9 or 8, and I did manage to escape for a small gain, so I'm glad it didn't hold that. 245. It probably will squeeze again, just a matter of when, not if. And when it does, hit the sell button. Ken. Actually, now is a good time to average down. Not financial advice, but this is near the yearly low. And, really can't go too much lower. And it will have its day again. It will pump. Just got to hit the sell button. So, yeah, pretty tough. But, got to stay away from these meme stocks, guys. Or if you do play the meme stocks, got to hit the sell button. Yeah, I think I should stay with poker. Yeah, poker is a good, you gotta be good though, but yeah, poker is one thing you can actually win at. Poker and sports betting. Stay away from the other casino games. And trading too. Trading you can win. Real estate investing safer and less volatile. Yeah, it is safer and, it is less volatile. But, lately it really hasn't been. Well, I guess it has been. But prices have been crazy lately. It has been pretty volatile, but not as volatile as the rest of the market. Absolutely. 14,000 shares on BHAT with the Redbox profits. Nice little turn on funds. Yeah, sounds like a very nice gain. So very happy for you, Patrick. Congrats. Where's spin-off MMAT? They just did offering, low risk, high reward. Yeah, they still have to do that. Their MMAT offering, right? That never happened, and Cryptide never happened either. So, MMAT and BBIG, very, very similar to me. Lowest sky reward? Yeah, I think at the moment it is. What up, Low Roller? What's up? So I'll give you guys the what's up, everyone who just came in.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Glad you make the end of the show. I believe in MMAT, 10 years hold for me. All right, dude. Not financial advice, but I think as soon as it hits 245 or wherever your break even is, I'd probably sell it. But if that's the plan, 10-year hold, then, you know, you make your money back. May take a while, but you make your money back. Devil's lettuce gummy edible kicking in. Yeah, be careful with those edibles. Edibles are a whole nother game. Well, there's like different levels of high you can get. There's like smoke. There's like paper, and then there's glass, and then there's wax, and then there's edibles, which, yeah, edibles are a bit too much for me, or I gotta take a small dose. But that stuff is like very potent and lasts a long time. I was legit high for 3 days once, like 3 whole days when I ate a brownie, and that was because me and my friends were just screwing around, and we didn't know any dosage. We made some and we didn't know any dosage, and we were all like pretty messed up for a couple of days there. But yeah, anyway, I'm just rambling now. So be careful with that edible stuff. It's good, but it sneaks up on you. Yeah, the third time I'm back when I retire, but by then I have a lot more. I can really play the game right with day trade. Yeah, you live and learn, you know. It's been expensive, so it would have been better if you didn't trade as much money, but you know, expensive education. The only way you really learn is to lose money. So, I know it sucks, but you'll make it back. Don't worry, Wilson. And you don't seem too worried anyway. And you seem to be in a pretty stable situation, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. I found $2 bonus and $150 bonus. Good day today. Nice, dude. Congrats to you. Glad to hear that. What do you think about SoFi? Check it out here. I am at Wendy's eating my dinner celebration. All right, shout out to you. Give you the Wendy's. What you get? 4 for 4? There's no 4 for 4 anymore. It's like 4 for 444. No, there's no. So it was 4 for 4, and then it was 4 for 444, and then now they don't even have that. Now it's the I think it's like the big box for $5. It's not $4 anymore. It's $5. They just call it something different. Damn inflation. Looking at TBLT. What's your thoughts? All right, so I did do a video on that over the weekend. So that shouldn't be too old. So if you want to check that video out, dude, it should be like 2 videos ago. Let's do SoFi first. So I'll look at TBLT real quick. We'll do a quick review, but I did a full TA on that Friday, I think. So if you want to go check that out. But we'll look at that real quick. What do you think Rev can go to? Just wondering. We'll check that out as well. So we're going to do SoFi, TBLT, and Rev real quick. Stock you can, but I just need to have the patience and learn how to read chart and have time to search what stock is being short squeezed and jump in before they explode. Easier said than done. Easier said than done, because nowadays research on short squeezes is just, you know, Reddit, StockTwits, just retail screaming it's gonna moon. Nowadays, that is research. That is DD for short squeezing. You go on social media, nuclear MOAS. Okay, I'm sold. That's DD nowadays. So easier said than done. You know, it's hard to find at GME, AMC, Redbox. It's hard to find this stuff. But yeah, dude, you know what you need to do. So you got a plan, long-term plan. That's good for you. So just stick to that. Revlon bankruptcy, isn't it? Yeah, they're in bankruptcy, but they're not gonna dissolve. They're just reorganizing. 10-year hold. I don't mind just 1K share. That's not too bad at the end of the day. 3 days on a brownie. Yeah, it was like 3 days. It was uncomfortably high. Like please stop. And I haven't really said that before. Damn boy, you were faded. Yeah, that was quite an experience. We made hash brownies. You know, hashish brownies. Can I even say that? And yep, used a lot more than we were supposed to. And then from there, I stepped up my game. I started making wax brownies. But yeah, that's just my mad my adventures in the kitchen. My experiments in the kitchen. Yeah, I've been taking them for 2 years since I had my med card. So they must be well, I'm not gonna say must be, but it sounds like some pretty good stuff. Anything med card is, you know, pretty potent. I've never had a med card or even bought anything like medical grade, but sounds cool, dude. What'd you eat? Baked goods, candy? 3 days no sleep on Tylenol? You should come to San Francisco on vacation. I buy dinner. I appreciate that. I don't know if I'm going to go to San Francisco anytime soon. I do have some friends from there from college, so maybe one day I'll hit you up for sure if that's ever the case. Hey, I appreciate that, Wilson. Very generous. And maybe we can go play some poker. We need to do a community meetup poker game, or even online sometime. That'd be really fun. Nothing too big. Just, you know, just for fun. Yeah, appreciate you, Wilson.
I appreciate you.
Just in general, we do need to do like community meetup at some point in the future. We are getting pretty big already, and there's quite a few people in New York in the community. Yeah, for sure. You know, I'd like to meet you guys in person one day. BBIG CEO just got a job at Whataburger. Like an executive job, right? You live in Wilson lives in San Fran. I live in New York. $5 deal on Wendy's. Yeah, it's not 4 for $4 anymore. It's like $5 big box or something. Cost of living too high? Yeah, in San Francisco and New York. Everywhere. Rent is too damn high, but especially in those places. Bro, Wendy's sounds so good right now. Wendy's is always good. I love Wendy's. I don't really eat fast food, but Wendy's and Popeyes I can always do. So far good? Yeah, we'll look at that right now. My bad. Wendy's still a $4 deal, but only junior burger combo? Where? Not here. Not in New York. Ain't no $4 Wendy's. I wish. Look at options chain. All right, we'll look at it. About to throw some fries in air fryer. Yeah, the air fryer is a new. Everyone has one nowadays. But I don't know. To me, you gotta throw it in. You gotta throw it in some grease. Do it the real way. No, I'm kidding. Take care of your health. Sounds good. You guys make me hungry. Raw Cocoa Nuclear Moas Triple Moas. Yeah, keep dreaming. Nice, chef. Coke brownie sounds good.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
I don't know. I haven't really done white too much in my life. Did it like 2 times ever. It sounds a bit much. I don't know. Sounds interesting. That thing must have been 300 milligrams. Yeah, it was a lot. It was it must have been like 3 grams in the whole batch, so which definitely is a lot. So 3 divided by 12. Because we made a dozen, so yeah, there was a 0.25 grams of hash in each brownie. So yeah, way too much, way too much. that is absurd. Green apple gummy, nice, nice. Zynga, let's go. What's up with Zynga? It's pumping. Come to Orlando and we can burn one on me, bro. Yeah, appreciate all the offers. Yeah, for sure. You know, one day, gotta tour the country, have some smarter gambling meetups, just blow it down and play some poker, chill. That'd be very nice. You can set up a table, invite whoever you want to play. It is a site I play daily. Which site? I just don't trust these. I don't really trust these poker sites, to be honest. These crypto sites. So, yeah, we can, but you know, gotta be sure to play on a legit site and not anything that not gonna give your money back or installs malware in your computer or something like that. I don't trust these sites. Gotta do some DD. Yeah, for sure. Calls on Meetup. Bullish idea. Very bullish idea. Use Zelle or PayPal the host and clear daily. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, let me know what that is. I'll check it out. Ideally, it'd just be like deposit crypto and you could play. But yeah, I'll check it out. Use Wendy app. You get huge discount. You just lie information. Yeah, I think you said that, but I don't know when the last time I got one of these was. Must be like pre-pandemic. Never done nose candy, to be honest. Yeah, don't. Well, do it if you want to, but do it in moderation. Not financial advice. Nose candy is not good for your finances. I can tell you that. Or anything is not good for your finances. Taking anything. So watch it. Do it in moderation. Them Asian tattoos, skinny chick live. Yeah, it seems like Ken really likes his white. Talks about it a lot. I don't know. Those candies way better than F. I've never done F, so I don't plan on it, so I wouldn't know. But Ken says it's better than F. I would think so. F doesn't sound like a good time. I don't know why you would recreationally do F for. Come to Vietnam, we can hang out. Do you live in Vietnam? You're in Texas, aren't you? I'm down to go to Vietnam, though. I've seen places there for vacation. Very, very cheap. Another thing, if you guys want a nice vacation, financial advice, if you guys want to take a nice vacation, go to, these places in Asia. Vietnam, Laos. Very good bang for your dollar. South America, Latin America, Asian countries. Money goes a long way. If you want to retire, good place to move to, Asia and South America. You play Monopoly Live? They have a lot of hot chick overseas. No, I don't play Monopoly Live, but sounds pretty cool. Get a mingle. Very cheap. Laos very cheap. Vietnam not cheap anymore? Well, I don't think it's as cheap, but still, pretty cheap compared to here. You can easily retire there. You can work a regular job here. Go over there and live like a king. Last time I went was 15 years ago. It's been a long time. Yeah, whenever I look up vacation, these Asian countries like Vietnam and, Laos. Always like cheapest destinations. Come to countryside. All right, anyway, guys, so we're just chilling now. So what are we looking at? So a lot of comments. So appreciate you guys. It was a little slow to start, but looks like a lot of people coming in now and chatting. We're pretty much done with the show. So we're gonna look at a few stocks here, and we'll get to the Yolos and read the comments again. And please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Appreciate you. All right, what are we looking at? SoFi. Revlon and TBLT. All right. So SoFi, so you can't go too wrong here, This is near the low. Probably draw another one here. Yeah, so this looks near the low here. Let's do a quick sketch. All right, so 550, can't go too wrong here. Next supports are 525 and then the low 480. But yeah, it looks pretty bullish. 40 RSI, big cup and handle long term. All-time low. Can't go too wrong here. Looks like it's starting to bottom out and catch support. So yeah, SoFi is definitely not going anywhere. It is a meme stock. I don't know why, but it's not going anywhere. yeah, it does look really bullish long term. So I like the current entry. And if it pulls back, then yeah, 550, 525, 480. Really shouldn't go too much lower though. So yeah, it's been rough, but looks really strong, really bullish long term. So I'd buy and hold SoFi. TBLT. I already forgot what I said on this, but I'm pretty sure I said wait till 180. I'm pretty sure that's what I said. So it does look pretty bullish longer term, but you got the gap here at 180, so I think it's going to pull back to 180 before it goes back up again. So this actually looks like a pretty decent short right now. And I'd set the buy orders to 180. I go long at 180 and lower. Big gap to fill there. So long-term bullish, but short-term, I think it's going to pull back to 180 on TBLT. Revlon. So, what do I think this can go to? I think it's already done. Actually, I said this would pull back to 550, and it's back at 550 now, so. I think it may have topped out at 10, but it can also go to 1150. And then 14, another gap, or another top there. 1570 and 1635 and 1765. So I think this can go to 14. Well, one thing at a time, but I think if it breaks 10, 1150, and then 14. So this does have a lot of potential upside. So I think it's some healthy pullback right now. I think it should go back to 10 and then possibly 1150. So I'm going to say 10 and 1150 and possibly even more than that. It does have a lot of upside here. Can't really say, but this definitely can't keep squeezing past 10. I'd say 14 is the next, 1150 and then 14 are the next major resistances. So I'm going to go with 10, 1150, and 14 on Revlon. All right. Asia have the largest mall. Why America doesn't have that? They have big, giant mall every block, which we have that in USA. Do they have the largest mall? Probably. I got the American Dream here in New Jersey over the bridge. That's the biggest mall in America now. It's pretty huge. I got tired just walking in there. I don't know. Malls don't really... People don't go to the mall anymore. It's kind of a waste of money as an investor. It's fun to do, though. But I'm not really sure. Probably because it's unprofitable. 10K, you get a nice 4-bedroom house near the beach to buy, right? Like, you could buy a 10K house. Yeah, that's really cheap. If you live Western lifestyle, you would not survive in Asia. Well, you would have to sacrifice some luxury for sure. But, I've never been that bougie or anything. I think I could survive in Asia. Yeah. You just have to give up your nice cars and your, nice homes. You can still have a nice home. I don't think for me it would be that bad. But, yeah, if you're, if you grew up rich and you're spoiled, then it's going to be quite a change. Can SoFi go up? It's going to go up. It's going to go up. Give it some time. Long-term hold. This channel is true. Raw Coco, too much fantasy. Well, yeah, that's why I'm going to survive for the long term, because I tell the truth. You know, I don't lie to you guys, and I'm realistic. So, Raw Coco may, you know, get 10,000 subs and not take that long, but he's going to be off of YouTube in a couple of years. I guarantee you that. Those Asian country that is still cheap is food and fruits. I would love to go to Japan or Korea. Heard that hella females out there, like 4 to 1. Is it that much, 4 to 1? I don't know. I haven't been there, but I used to go to school with some Korean guys, and they said the Korean girls really, really like foreigners. So, I don't know how true it is, but yeah, I had a few Korean friends, and they all told me I should go visit. They said the girls are pretty cool. Wouldn't know, though. But yeah, I got to do that, too. So if I no good long-term, 10 years? It is good long-term. But it may take 10 years, yeah, before it actually does anything. I don't think it'd take that long. Yeah, so far it's good long-term. While Mullen Bloodbath, imagine they delay the Fortune 500 company on Thursday, or no news, it might even drop below $1. If there is news and legit, it can double up, but interesting by Friday. Honestly, I think it's going to sell off either way, whether it's legit or not legit. If it's legit, it's probably going to sell the news. If it's not legit, it's probably going to dump the news. I don't know, but I think $1 is very possible, yes. Asia's okay to live, get a moped, save money. Yeah, that is true. They don't really drive cars there. They all drive bikes and mopeds. Raw Coco get rage at BBIG. Why? Because it's not nuclear moassing. They say you can live very good when you retire if you only have $1,500 a month for income in USA. You can barely survive with that, depend where. That goes a long way in other countries, you know, in like second, third world countries. Yeah, $1,500 a month would not even cover half your rent here in the United States. So, yeah, you know, if you guys save money and move overseas for retirement, your money will go a long way. You can live a really good life. All right, guys. So yeah, we're just chilling now. So let's get to the Yolos. 1 second, let me pull it up. See, a lot of people coming in here halfway and towards the later end of the show. So appreciate everyone. It's 5:51 now, so yeah, I said hour and a half. Looks like we're gonna go more like 2 hours. That's all right. Always a pleasure kicking it with you guys, chilling and chatting with you guys. All right, so let me open up these Yolos. Let me check YouTube, and we'll finish up with the show here. All right, we're at 6 viewers, 13 likes now. So, much appreciated. Please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Give this another second to finish loading. Box $4 easily. I did do a video on Boxed as well. I did one on TBLT and BOXD. Yeah, look, Box looks really, really bullish. $4 easily. Yeah, I would agree. Should come back up to $4 relatively soon. A lot of people left Raw Coco and V. Who's V? Came to this channel. All right, well. I don't wish Raw Coco. I don't wish like a downfall on Raw Coco, but yeah, you know, here, this is the voice of reason. I'm the voice of reason. Not gonna scream moon. Tell you guys the truth. May not like it, but facts don't care about your feelings, right? Can't trade on emotion. All right, still loading here, but we'll get started anyway. Alright guys, so today should be fun, nothing too serious. Got 6 Yolos here, 3 memes, 1 gain coin, 1 lost coin, and 1 YOLO. Shouldn't take too long, let's do it guys. This first one is by Jack Aller, 1. Never forget the great market bottom of January 27th, 2022. So you guys remember this? Kathy Wood was on CNBC. Her talking about the bottom was on January 27th. I think she bought a lot too in January. And yeah, 5 months later, and I don't think we hit the bottom yet. So clown on Cathie Wood. She's been getting clowned on for a couple of years now, 2 years. And on top of that, she had this FaceTime thing where she has to pay for more minutes. Or was it CNBC not paying? Or was it ARK not paying? I thought ARK didn't pay. I think it was ARK that didn't pay. But yeah, that was pretty embarrassing. This came up live on TV, so yeah, Cathie would need to get her stuff together. January 27th. Where was SPY on January 27th? All right, so we were at 440 on January 27th. The bottom is 440, guys. That's CNBC Zoom. All right. Well, maybe they're trying to make ARK look bad. I remember watching that live. It was pretty funny. Will oil hit 150 this summer? I mean, it could. The way it's going now, wouldn't doubt it. Would not be surprised. Can't say for sure, but I'm gonna say good chance. Yeah. Oil's not going anywhere anytime soon. All right, next article or next meme by P Duffy 397. What strategy is that again? So more Cathie Wood clowning here. Cathie Wood says she got inflation wrong. Continues ARK strategy. Supply chain Ukrainian invasion set us up for deflation. Really? Wood says ARK strategists will stick to our knitting. Yeah, so what strategy is that? Buy high, sell low? Yeah, it's been rough for Cathie Wood. Do not take financial advice from Cathie Wood. And I don't think ARK is a good investment. But hey, that's just me, just my opinion. But yeah, shout out to Cathie Wood. Hope she's okay. This is by Hard Candy. Adjusting for inflation. So, breaking news. 50 Cent changes name to 85 Cent. Just to adjust for inflation. That may be a bit much. 85 cents. So, what? It went up. Went up quite a bit. Went up like 60%. Went up like 60%. Yeah, so I don't think inflation went up 60%. So, I don't know about 50 cents to 85 cents. Maybe more like 60 cents. But regardless, pretty hilarious either way. I thought it was broke. Wasn't 50 Cent broke? Or he was. I don't know. Didn't he file bankruptcy a couple times? I don't know, but shout out to 50 Cent. Or 85 Cent, whatever. Good meme here. I hope so IMPP can go up. That definitely would help. Cathie Rich. I don't know if she's rich anymore. But she was rich. Is 85 Cent for IMPP? Yeah, I mean, definitely can get there. It's at 50 now, so it was at 90 not too long ago. So 85 Cent for IMPP would be nice, yeah. No, he's got vitamin water? Yeah, but vitamin water is not even that popular anymore. I remember he used to have it. Well, he still has it, but who drinks vitamin water anymore? I don't even see where they sell that anymore. Now it's body armor. That's the new thing. All right, next one by Baby Goat 411. 1 month return playing SPY puts and calls. So, yeah, in 1 month he's up 123.5K, 36%. That's pretty impressive. I don't think you guys should do that, though, especially with... I don't think you guys should just play with 300K like that. But, seems to be working out for this guy pretty good. Maybe he has a system, I don't know. But he started with 330K. Wonder how he got that in the first place. Wonder if he ran it up or he's just rich or what. And yeah, seems to be doing pretty good in the past month. So high risk, high reward. I don't think you guys should do this, especially with that much money. But good gain corn here. But I think the longer he does this, is not going to turn out well. But you know, congrats on the gain so far. I think you should chill out, especially if you have this much money. You really don't need to be making risky plays like this. But hey, this is Wall Street Bets. This is the casino. So shout out to this guy. I think you should chill. But hey, keep doing you. Good stuff. Thanks for posting. He's a wankster, gangster. Who would do that? Is DWC going is good long term? No, I don't think so. I don't think so, no. But that's just my opinion. I would not buy that long term. All right, next one by Sky Intruder. Lost corn for you, my liege. All right, so I got some FDs here. SPY 391 put. 9 of them expiring July 1st. So this was a 18K YOLO, and right now he's down 71%, 13K. But this was 9 hours ago, so let's check this out now. It says average cost $20. SPY 391. SPY 391. All right, so it's still down, but not as much as it says here. So it's really down like 50%, not 71%. So, I mean, it's in the money. So this should work out, but he's down right now. So this is what happens when you play, you know, at the money or in the money options. So this should work out. It should finish in the money, and he's not down as much here. So this isn't as bad as it seems. It says 371 break even. As long as it finishes below 391, should be okay. So yeah, not as bad as it looks, but still major loss corn here. Not as so I hope it works out for this guy. So yeah, Sky Intruder, thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss so far, and please post updates. All right, last one by USMC HQBN 5811. As promised, made out okay, but it was a wild as Ivy Crush ride. Went from negative 5K to 1,300. All right, so this is a Nike put here. 111 strike, 24 Nike puts, expiring July 15th. So kind of an FD here. 2.5 weeks to go. So he said it himself. He was down 5K. So this was like a 14K YOLO. So he was down about 40%. And now he's up over $1,000, $1,300, and he cashed out. So yeah, pretty risky play here. Was going really bad, and he got lucky, and he did the right thing in hitting the sell button as soon as he got his money back. So he managed to get out of here with a profit. But, you know, a lot of other people aren't this lucky. So yeah, Super FD. Don't really think you guys should make a risky play like that. Could have went really bad. It was going really bad. But he got lucky, and he didn't get too greedy. He cashed out. So it's what happens when you play FDs, you know. Big swings, plays with their emotions a lot. But I'm glad he was able to make out with a small gain. So good stuff. Congrats on your gains, dude. Glad it worked out. Alright, guys, and that is the show for today. So, yeah, I said hour and a half. We went over 2 hours here, which is fine. A lot of people coming in and chatting. Show started pretty slow, but a lot of people came in halfway towards the end of the show. So, overall, I think it's a pretty successful show. So, thank you, guys. Thanks to all the regulars. I don't think there was any new people, but thanks to all the regulars and all the familiar faces. Hope you guys enjoyed. I did. And, yeah, anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Where's my shades? Oh, there it is. Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything? Otherwise, we out of here. Let me check YouTube real quick. I think most people dipped because we're just chilling for a pretty long time at the end. It says 5 viewers, 14 likes. All right, so still 5 people in here. Not sure who was in here, but appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Is BBIG releasing the Tide dividend yet? I've been waiting for a month. I don't think so. What did they last say? They said indefinitely, right? So you're still waiting for it. Probably going to get it in a couple of months. I don't know. I'm not surprised. They're doing this. They're really screwing their investors here. So, yeah. You'll get it when they feel like it, and it may be a while. All right, you're welcome, Beelzebub, and you're welcome, Ken. EVFM 2.3, in my opinion. 230? EVFM 230? Is that what you mean? I think that's what you mean. 230. It's going to go to 230. Well, it most definitely can. Are you looking at the gap? That's what I see here. There's a gap at like 235. Yes. So I think eventually, yes, it will come back up there. I think there's more downside to go before it does, though. We'll see. But yes, EVFM 230 definitely possible. Lurk Squad checking in. Yeah, shout out to the Lurk Squad. I see you guys. Always sporting. So yeah, shout out to Machete and the Lurk Squad. Why they do that? That's illegal in Asia. I don't know, because they can. Because they feel like it. I don't know. I thought it was a bad idea from the beginning. So in the future, and this is not financial advice, but whenever you see special dividend and the stock is mooning and getting a lot of momentum on social media, probably gonna sell off pretty hard, and probably stay away from it. Special dividend is a bull trap. Can you take a look at ALNA? Sure. What's going on here? Stay away from spinoff? Yeah, stay away from the special dividend. It says it terminated its at the market sales agreement. So they were going to it looks like they were going to dilute, and now they're not going to dilute, and that's why it's up so much. Don't know why it's up 100%, but yeah, it's mooning here. So probably squeezing on that bullish news, but it's probably coming back down. It's gonna gap up. So yeah, bullish news squeezing in the aftermarket, but probably coming back down. Just my opinion, though. All right, guys, that is it. So, yeah, appreciate everyone. Thanks, everyone, for being here. Great show. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks, all the regulars. And, yep, that's it. Let's get out of here. Will it hit $1? It might. It may take a while. Probably a couple of years, but it definitely could. But not anytime soon. Let's just put it that way. Not anytime soon. All right, let's get out of here, guys. And please smash the like button on your way out. Cool. All right. Cool. Let's get out of here. I stay with SoFi. Yeah, that's a much better play. Cool. All right, let's get out of here, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. Oops. Try that again. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.